Hi, this is Rakesh and you're watching Real Technology. In this video, we will fix the right click issue. Maybe if you are clicking left, it is behaving like right. So in this video, we will fix this issue. So as you can see, I'm clicking left, but it is working as right. So click on Start menu, open Settings. Once open, click on Bluetooth and Devices and scroll down. Go to Mouse option. Open the option. Okay, let's see, this is the mouse option. Open it. Now here you can see it is showing right, so just select left and close this window and it is working fine. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.